Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jen. Today's video I'm going to be playing around with a lot of makeup. I've been going through a lot lately, like a lot, and I bought some makeup because I feel like retail therapy is the best sometimes to like ease your mind off of things. And I have a lot of goodies here. Of course, I have I believe it's Avara. I'm pretty sure it's Avara foundation. I have the Makeup Forever foundation here. It's the HD Skin foundation. I also have this Rose Quartz palette here. It's been out for like a while now. I got this like a month or so or two. I don't remember, but I got it a while back. I've been playing with it, but I wanted to do a look for you guys. Enough talking, and let's go ahead and get started with the makeup. All right, so the first things first is I like to take out my hair out of my face because I do have a lot of baby hairs, and I have this headband. I got it from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. It was $1 back then, but sadly now it's $1.25. But yeah, it's actually really comfy. I like it. I have a pink one and a white one. I'm gonna do this off camera, but I am gonna be doing my eyebrows with this NYX Professional micro brow pencil here. I'm in the shade black. I have this Beauty Creations color-based eyeshadow primer right here, and I think this is in a shade called Ballerina Girl. I don't know, it's like a nude one. I haven't really tried this, so I'm gonna be applying like a dot on my eyelid. I'm just gonna be using my finger to blend that actually. Whoa, that is really pigmented. This is so pigmented. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. Here, maybe I'm gonna use a brush, grab some product and put it in the back of my hand because that was a lot. I literally look like a clown right now with this and then my red cheeks. Oh my god. Okay, let's tone that down a bit. Okay, but that definitely cleared up my veins, which is insane. All right, so going in with the Rose Quartz palette here. Look at this palette, guys. Oh my god, my setup is so ugly. I'm sorry. But look how beautiful this palette looks. It is gorgeous. Go in with this shade right here, and it's called Gratitude. This one right here. I'm gonna put that right above like my crease. And I feel like the shadows are actually blending really nice with the primer. So I like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with this shade right here that's called Radiant. Is it Radiant? No, it's called Radiate. My bad. I'm going to get the same brush and I'm going to get the back of it. And I'm going to put that at the top. And see how that looks. Oh my gosh, I just realized that you guys can probably see my little doggy Mia over here. Mia! Mia! Hi, baby! She's wagging her tail. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the darkest shade on this palette, and this, which is right here. This is called Mantra, or Mantra? I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. And I'm going to put that in. Oh, that looks pigmented. So I already blended it in, the color right here, and I'm going to get a little bit more so I can define it more. I kind of want to do like a smoky type of look. We'll see. So I'm going to build it up more. And I'm literally dipping the brush into the shadow, and I'm literally, as I dip it, I put a little bit here and then a little bit on that side, and it's like, I feel like it's enough. It's a very pigmented palette, but of course this is Huda. I know Huda is known to have awesome pigment. And then, of course, going in with my favorite part, we're going to go in with some shimmers. And I'm going to go in with the shade right here called Abundance. And I'm going to put that like in my outer, kind of like in the outer corner. Blend it in with the other dark shade. And then I'm going to go in with this shade right here that's called Moon Magic. It looks purple, but it has like a green kind of like reflection. It looks like holographic. I was playing around with the palette a little bit, and I added Self Love, which is this color over here. Added it like in the middle of those two shades, so it's kind of like a transition, but I really like how that looks. It almost looks like a copper corally with gold, rose gold tones in it. It's actually really pretty. But alright, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to eyeliner, and I'm using the Colourpop BFF liquid liner here. And I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I'm using another Colourpop product. This is their volumizing mascara here, and this is in a shade called Brownie Points. And I'm actually not sure if they still sell this mascara anymore, at least this color, but it's actually really, really good. I apply the foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and use some primer, and I'm using the matte Putty primer here, and I'm just gonna get a little bit of it and I'm gonna put it in the areas where I get the most oily, which is around this part, this like my T-zone basically. I'm also going to be applying this Glow Recipe Vitamin Glow. It's like a hyaluronic acid from what I know, but it's really, really good, especially with my dry skin. It feels amazing. Alright, so for lashes, I have these Salon Perfect Soft and Smoky Lashes, and I have them right here. They're drying, and I do cut them, but they look beautiful. Like literally, that picture, I was like, I need to have these because they look, oh my god, it looks so freaking cute. And then I'm gonna blend the lashes with some mascara. Alright, so onto the foundation. Of course, I have its packaging here. I'm really excited. So of course, this is a new Makeup Forever new foundation. It's their HD Skin, so I guess maybe it's like a skin tint. It pretty much went like viral on TikTok because Makeup Forever had not released a new product in a long time. And this is a foundation that has a second skin effect. It is a high blur effect with an undetectable finish, buildable to medium to full coverage. And oh my god, I didn't even tell you guys the shade that I got. I got the shade IR12, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some pumps. And I'm going to be using this Rare Beauty, I believe this is her foundation, but this is her foundation brush, and I'm going to be using this. As you can tell, I do have a lot of redness on my face. But I think this is literally a perfect match. It definitely looks really good too. I'm gonna tell you guys, I have like really dry skin right now, and this feels amazing. A comparison, like look at this side and then look at this side. Super, super red. I'm gonna apply a little bit more over here because I feel like this area needs a little bit more coverage. But you guys, this literally does feel like second skin. It, like, you can still see like some of my redness, but I'm actually not mad about it. It felt really hydrating on my skin. So far, I'm actually loving the finish of it because it looks really natural. As you guys can tell, obviously I still have like imperfections around my face. I have like bumps and stuff, which is normal. Some texture on my face, but I think it looks nice. To concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use the E.L.F. This is the E.L.F. Hydrating Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light Peach. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. Not too much. I'm not really feeling a lot of concealer today. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. I'm just gonna go OG, and I'm gonna be using the Airspun loose powder here. So I literally have the natural sunlight coming directly from my window, which feels really nice because I'm looking at it in the sunlight, and this looks amazing, you guys. This looks really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Rose Quartz palette again. With the brush, I'm gonna go in with just Gratitude and the other one right here, which is called Radiate. I'm gonna be pressing that onto the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the dark color that I first applied, and which is called Mantra. I'm just gonna put that in the outer. And then of course I'm gonna be going in with the same mascara. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the shade that's called Self Love. Then finishing off the eye, I'm gonna be doing like the kind of like a cat eye. Of course, I'm going to be doing like the little wing inner corner here for a foxy eye look, I mean. And then for eyeliner for my bottom waterline, I'm going to be doing the black. And I feel like overall the looks really good. Like I feel like I don't even need bronzer or blush. But something tells me like, girl, you need to put on some bronzer. I'm gonna go in with this E.L.F. one. This is the E.L.F. Primer-Infused bronzer here. That definitely does reflect a lot on how this foundation looks like a natural natural lighting, which I love. Like I literally, guys, I can't stop looking at my skin. It's like this looks beautiful. I feel like I don't even need blush because, as I said, my redness is already peeking through. I will say that. But at the same time, it's in Skin Natural foundation. It is medium. I didn't build it up just because like I don't like to build up my foundations. I don't like full coverage. I like things to be sheer and light. That's kind of my vibe. I think for lipstick, I'm just gonna be doing this Kylie one. This is her Kylie lip liner. It's literally called Kylie. It's like her favorite one, I believe. And this is before her brand got rebranded to like a vegan type, but I'm just gonna be doing this. And I know that tip is like huge. Yeah, that happened. I don't know how, but it works. This is a finished look of using the foundation, and like I feel like I didn't use a lot of products like I usually do. Like I usually go in with a lot of blush and stuff, but this time it was just kind of like glam and simple. Let me know what you think down below of all the products I have used today, if anything comes to mind, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.